You finally bought your dream RV. You've been planning this for years. Weekend escapes, national park tours, maybe even full-time living on the road. And then one rainy Tuesday night, you're lying in bed and you hear it. That slow, unmistakable drip. Water. Coming in. From somewhere. Sound familiar? Because if you spend even 10 minutes on any RV owner forum, you'll quickly realize that water intrusion is the #1 complaint across the entire industry. It's not just annoying, it's expensive. Left unchecked, a small roof leak can rot your floor, destroy your walls, and turn a $60,000 investment into a total loss. And the frustrating part? Most manufacturers' warranties don't cover water damage if they can blame poor maintenance. So today I've done the research so you don't have to. I went through manufacturer warranty documents, industry publications, NHTSA, recall databases, and thousands of owner forum posts to answer one question. Which RV brands actually have the fewest water intrusion problems? I'm ranking 5 brands, from the one with the most reported leaks all the way up to the gold standard in watertight construction. If you're in the market for an RV, or if you're thinking about your next upgrade, you need to watch this before you swipe that card. Let's get into it. Before we rank, a quick word on how I approach this. Insurance companies don't publish water damage claim data by RV brand. That would make this too easy. So instead, I used proxies, warranty length and coverage, the materials and construction methods used, official recalls related to leaks, 5 Airstream the icon with a leak problem nobody talks about. Coming in at number 5, and yes, this might surprise some of you, is Airstream. I know. The shiny silver bullet. The Instagram darling. The RV that screams, I have taste. And look, Airstream does a lot of things right. Their riveted aluminum shell is genuinely brilliant engineering. No wood framing means no rotting structure. One-piece aluminum construction means fewer seams for water to sneak through. On paper, this thing should be impenetrable. But here's the problem. In practice, Airstream owners report leaks constantly. Go to any Airstream forum, Air Forums is the big one, and search water leak. You'll find threads going back years, all pointing to the same culprits: roof vents, air conditioner seals, windows, and the rear hatch. One veteran Airstream owner put it bluntly, and I'm paraphrasing here: your Airstream leaks, or it will leak. It's just a matter of when and where. And here's what makes this extra frustrating. Airstream's warranty doesn't have your back when it happens. Their standard 2-year limited warranty explicitly excludes water damage from condensation and moisture intrusion. So not only are leaks common, but when they happen, you're often on your own financially. The typical fix, resealing vents, windows, and hatches, runs anywhere from $100 to several $100s in labor. Interior damage can push well past that. Now, to be fair, Airstream leaks are usually minor and fixable, and the brand's iconic status does attract a very vocal online community. Some of those forum posts might represent a louder than average presence, rather than a worse than average product. But when we stack this brand against the others on this list, the combination of common leak reports and weak warranty coverage puts Airstream at number 5. Still a great trailer. Just go in with your eyes open, a tube of sealant in your toolkit. 4 Winnebago Industries. At number 4, we have Winnebago. This is America's most recognizable RV brand. And for good reason. They've been building coaches since 1958, and they've earned a reputation for reliability. But when it comes to water intrusion specifically, the picture is a bit mixed. Here's what Winnebago gets right. Their Class B van conversions. The Travato line, for example, use bonded fiberglass shells, and these things are genuinely watertight. The fiberglass construction eliminates a lot of the penetration points you'd find on a traditional towable. If you're buying a Winnebago Class B, water leaks should be pretty low on your list of worries. Their Class A and Class C motorhomes are a different story. These use more traditional construction, wood framing with a fiberglass exterior, EPDM or TPO rubber roof membranes, and owners report a steady trickle of leak issues. Common culprits are AC drip pans. After heavy storms, ceiling leaks get reported with some regularity. Nothing catastrophic, and resealing usually fixes it, but it's a pattern you see repeatedly in owner communities. On the warranty side, Winnebago does step up. They offer a 36-month structural warranty that covers wall and floor delamination, and some models come with roof membrane warranties stretching all the way to 12 years. That's genuinely impressive and suggests the company has confidence in their materials. 3. Grand Design RV. Now we're getting into the brands that are genuinely doing things differently. Grand Design RV lands at number 3, and these guys have made water resistance a core part of their brand identity. And they've backed it up with actual engineering. Let's talk about the roof first, because it's the most important part of any water intrusion discussion. Grand Design developed what they call their worry-free roof system. And I'll be honest, when I first heard that, I rolled my eyes a little. Marketing language, right? But when you dig into the actual construction, it's legitimately impressive. We're talking about a one-piece, triple-layer, marine-grade fiberglass roof with wrapped edges. No lap seams. No edge sealants. No joints where water can sneak in. Most RV roofs have multiple panels seamed together, and every seam is a potential failure point. Grand Design's roof design eliminates that problem almost entirely. Their sidewalls use laminated fiberglass construction with Asdel composite boarding on many models. We'll talk more about Asdel in a moment, but the key point is no Lauan plywood, no wood that absorbs moisture and rots. Aluminum frame throughout. The warranty reflects this confidence. Grand Design offers a 3-year structural warranty covering the roof and floor assembly, plus a lifetime warranty on the new worry-free roof. That's not a warranty offered by a company expecting to pay a lot of water damage claims. Owner reports line up with this. Leaks do happen, usually around slide-out seals or roof fixtures like antennas and AC units. But they're described as isolated incidents, not a brand-wide pattern. When they occur, they're typically caught quickly and fixed under warranty. Grand Design has also won multiple Industry Quality Circle Awards, which isn't a direct measure of leak resistance, but it's a sign of overall build quality and attention to detail. Grand Design at number 3, excellent construction, strong warranty, and a design philosophy genuinely focused on keeping water out. 2 East to West RV, Forest River. At number 2 is a brand that might not be on your radar yet, East to West RV, a division of Forest River. Their Alta and Dakota lines don't get the press coverage that Airstream or Winnebago get, but from a water intrusion standpoint, they're doing almost everything right. The key is what they build their walls with, Asdel onboard composite panels. Let me explain why this matters so much. Traditional RV sidewalls use Lauan plywood as a substrate. It's cheap, it's easy to work with, and it's also absolutely terrible when it gets wet. Lauan absorbs moisture, warps, grows mold, and eventually disintegrates. Every RV with Lauan plywood walls has a ticking clock. If water ever gets in, the damage spreads fast, and repairs get expensive. Asdel panels don't absorb water, full stop. The manufacturer describes them as water-resistant with no mildew, warping, or rot. East to West uses Asdel throughout. Sidewalls, slide-out panels, everywhere. They also pair this with aluminum framing, a TPO rubber roof membrane with a limited lifetime warranty, and a high-strength fiberglass front cap. The result is an RV that is structurally much more resilient to water intrusion than the industry average. In owner communities, East to West units have very few reported leak issues. That said, this brand is still relatively niche, so the forum presence is smaller, which means some problems could be underreported simply because the community is smaller. There's also one area of caution. Some early owners have noted plumbing-related leaks, which is an interior issue rather than a structural one, but worth knowing about. The one legitimate weakness here is the warranty, just 1 year, which is Forest River's standard across most of their divisions. That's shorter than Grand Design and significantly shorter than Newmar. But the construction quality itself, particularly the Asdel walls, is arguably the single most important factor in long-term water resistance, and East to West nails it. One Newmar Corporation. And at number 1, the brand that comes closest to solving the RV water intrusion problem is Newmar Corporation. These are premium Class A diesel and gas motorhomes, and they're not cheap. But when you look at everything Newmar does to keep water out, you start to understand where that price tag goes. Start with the frame. Newmar uses a welded steel and aluminum structure they call their Star framework. This isn't the wood or fiberglass sandwich construction you find in most of the industry. It's a fully welded metal skeleton that holds its shape and doesn't flex in ways that crack sealants and open gaps. Foam-insulated walls, premium fiberglass exterior, and an assembly process that is genuinely detailed and rigorous. Here's one specific detail that stood out to me in the research. Newmar deliberately cuts carpet away from the walls throughout the interior. Why? To prevent moisture from wicking up from the carpet and into the wall structure. That is a manufacturer thinking about water management at the micro level, not just slapping on sealant and hoping for the best. The warranty tells you everything you need to know about how much confidence Newmar has in their own construction. They offer a 5-year limited structural warranty on the superstructure. That's the steel and aluminum frame and the roof. 5 years. For context, the industry standard for structural warranties is typically 1 to 3 years. Newmar also has a strong reputation for warranty responsiveness. Owners consistently report that when issues arise, Newmar's customer support is fast and solution-focused. In the owner community, significant water intrusion issues on Newmar coaches are remarkably rare. Occasional AC condensation or slide seal drips come up, but nothing that suggests a systemic design flaw. No notable leak-related recalls. In public consumer complaint data, Newmar is essentially absent when it comes to water damage. Is Newmar for everyone? No. These are luxury tier motorhomes, and the price reflects that. But if eliminating water intrusion risk is your priority, Newmar represents the best combination of construction quality, warranty protection, and owner satisfaction in the industry right now. So to recap, number 5, Airstream, iconic but leaky, and your warranty probably won't cover it. Number 4, Winnebago. Solid overall, better in Class B, needs maintenance in Class A and C. Number 3, Grand Design. Genuinely impressive roof engineering and a strong structural warranty. Number 2, East to West RV. Asdel composite construction is a game changer. 1-year warranty is the main weakness. And number 1, Newmar. The gold standard. 5-year structural warranty, premium construction, and almost no reported water intrusion issues from owners. Here's what I want you to take away from this. No RV is completely immune to water intrusion. Every manufacturer will tell you that regular seal inspection and maintenance is part of ownership. But the brands on this list have made design choices. Composite walls, seamless roofs, welded frames, premium warranties that dramatically reduce your risk and your repair bills over time. Before you buy any RV, pull up the warranty document and read it carefully. Look for what's excluded, not just what's covered. Ask the dealer specifically about roof construction and what material the sidewalls use. If this video saved you from making a $60,000 mistake or helped you feel confident about a purchase you were already considering, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.